How to link CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your CJ Dropshipping account. And once you do that, click on my CJ icon at the bottom right of the screen. And once you're here, click on authorization. This page will open up. Make sure that you are on the Shopify tab, and once you are, click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. This page will open up, in which it will show you all the steps that you need to do to link your account to Shopify, which I will show you right now. Click on authorize at the bottom of the screen. You will be sent to the Shopify App Store, in which you want to add CJ Dropshipping app to your account. You will be redirected to the installation process, so click on install app at the bottom. This will install the CJ Dropshipping app to your account. Once the app has been installed in your store, you will be redirected to this page, from which you want to click on authorize, as it says your CJ account is logged in, and authorize your store to the authorize the Shopify store to this account. Once you click on it, your Shopify store will be connected to the CJ Dropshipping account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can connect and add your CJ account to Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.